Hi there. So this image here is a picture of a sunflower granny square bag, and it actually is one that I made myself. And so part of the reason that I chose to use this image is that I was looking around for pictures of crochet items that were free to use on the internet, and a lot of them either that were free to use weren't really fitting with what I wanted to put on the website. And so I realized I've made my own projects with granny squares, and that was something that I talked about in this on this page is the use of granny square motifs in the 60s and 70s when crochet was at its peak. And so I figured I'd use my own image and upload it, and it fits with the examples of the 70s, but also on my third page, Harry Styles and the Crochet Renaissance, I talk about how, like, the sunflower bag as one of the really popular new items that are people are making, and in addition to the Harry cardigan. And so I felt it fit both on this page and on the last page, and was a nice intro to both. Thank you.